Hi guys, welcome back to SVB Creator. So this is a very quick video. Just now I got back from my grocery shopping and in that supermarket I got to see something very interesting, and that is this Veet Easy Grip ready to use wax strips instant waxing kit for dry skin, aloe vera and lotus flower fragrance. This has got 8 wax strips and it says it is suitable for half arms and legs. These Veet ready to use wax strips are effective at pulling out even 1.5 millimeters, and also there are a few tips for best results, and that is for great results. Wash your skin with soap and water and pat dry thoroughly before waxing, and I have done that already. Always pull back the wax strip against the direction of hair growth, keeping the strip close to skin as you pull instead of pulling outwards. Okay, we can use it for our whole body except for face that they have mentioned. So let's start. So if you guys can see, my hair is grown because I haven't waxed for almost 1 month. Clearly mentioned in this paper how to use this wax strip. So first they have mentioned rub the wax strip between your hands for about 5 seconds to warm the wax, okay? And then very slowly peel up the strip apart. Reuse each strip until it uses its grip, okay? Place a strip to your skin and rub repeatedly in the direction your hair grows from knee to ankle, then immediately. And fourth tip is very quickly pull the strip, okay, fine. And the fifth one is after complete waxing, wipe your skin with Veet Perfect Finish Wipe, which is provided in pack. So there are 4 wax strips in this packet. There is actually 8 wax strips in total and 2 perfect finish wipes. It retails for 99 rupees and I think it's quite affordable. So I'm gonna first rub it as it has mentioned so that this wax warms up. I should say that I am scared because I'm trying it for very first time. Okay, I've pulled it apart. I will keep this wax strip over here safely, and I'm gonna keep this first over here. You guys can see my hair is grown up quite a lot. So I have placed this wax strip. Now let's pull this. Wow, it works! I will show you guys. I know it's gross, but still I just want to show you guys. Now let's place it over here. Yeah. It's working, guys. It's working pretty well, and when it comes to pain, I wouldn't say that it pains a lot. It's actually bearable. It is not as painful as parlor waxing. That's actually what I feel. Okay, so I have been waxing for almost, I should say, 8 years. So my pain threshold is pretty high, especially after being a mom, after having a natural birth. I'm like, so for waxing pain, I'm like, it's okay. Gee, just pull it up once again. Okay. So my one hand is done actually, except for underarms, and I'm going to try and wax my another arm with the same wax strip. Let me see how it works. I couldn't finish my another arm with the same wax strip, so I'll be using other wax strip to So I waxed my arms as well as legs, half legs and full arms. I tried waxing my underarms and it didn't work. We need to have someone to help us around to wax underarms. It's not possible to wax all alone. When it comes to underarms, someone should hold the skin very tightly so that when the skin is really stretched and all the hair comes out when we pull the wax strip. So I was trying to do it all alone to my underarms as well, and it didn't work out at all. So it was epic fail. Okay, hands is like pretty okay, but still I wouldn't say it's best because I could see some small hair here and there. I don't know if camera gets it, I don't know about that, but I can definitely see some hair here and there, so it is not that neat. When it comes to legs, I could work pretty well because I was kind of getting the technique how to do waxing by my own. Not just that, it was easier because it was easier for me to hold skin very tightly with one hand and wax it with other hand, so it was easier in that way. I haven't tried it to my bikini area, so I can't really comment on it. So in short, my review about this wax strip is that if you have enough time, you can definitely go ahead and try it out. That's fine. If you are someone like me who do not have enough time and you have a very naughty baby like this, then it would be really difficult. We need some time and patience. And second thing is that we need some practice as well. We can't be pro at one go. Maybe we will have to do this waxing couple of times to get hold of it. Definitely for better result, we need practice. Third thing I found is that if you have someone for help, that is especially while doing waxing for your hands, if you have someone to hold your hands tightly or even to your underarms, the result would be better. Else there is chance that it won't be that perfect. You will find some hair here and there. The next thing what I felt is that it is definitely affordable. You can definitely complete your whole hands, even your underarms with just one wax strip. Fifth thing it is that it is convenient because we need not go to any parlor, wait there, we need not take any appointment, we need not go to parlor, we need not wait for the parlor lady to come and do waxing. So that is something I felt is really good because it doesn't involve any hot wax. Maybe because of that, I felt it is less painful than parlor waxing. Now I would say if you have enough patience and time, you can definitely give it a try because I feel that it is very convenient, it is affordable, and with practice it is definitely gonna give better results. But then if you are a new mom or a very busy person who can't take out 1 hour just for sitting down and do this waxing, don't even try this. It is not gonna work out. That is there. So that's it guys. I really hope this video has been helpful for you all. I think my bare face and my tired face didn't bother you much. so I really hope this video has been helpful for you all. If so, you guys know what to do. Please do give this video a big thumbs up as well as subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Please do not forget to click that tiny little bell icon next to that subscribe button. See you very soon in very next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Love you all. Bye.